Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 21st of October. I'm James Spann. An active weather day today with rain at times, a chance of strong storms. We'll check the severe weather potential here in a second. Then maybe more rain late this week and at some point over the weekend. Very busy pattern here, so let's take a look at the upper look. Very deep trough digging down across the middle of the country. That produced some severe weather last night, including a severe storm near Dallas. It looked like it dropped a fairly significant tornado just north of downtown Dallas last night. This was the radar early this morning. This was at 4:52 a.m. Central Time. And at that point, we had a line of strong storms from near the southern tip of Illinois down through Arkansas and eastern Texas. And that weakening batch of storms will likely push in here later this morning into northwest Alabama. Temperatures 60s and low 70s. We'll see highs today mostly in the 70s. To the west, we have tornado watches for parts of East Texas up into southern Illinois. This is the closest watch to Alabama just before daybreak. This was for parts of West Tennessee, northwest Mississippi until 9 o'clock this morning. Here's the broad severe weather risk for today, a chance of severe storms from the Gulf Coast region back up into parts of Illinois and Indiana. These are the tornado probabilities today. The higher tornado chance is west of the state, near the Mississippi River, back into North Louisiana. Just a 2% chance of severe storms in parts of central and southwest Alabama. This is the severe weather outlook for our state. We have the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5. South of a line from near Gordo to near Montgomery and Troy, the area is in yellow, and then a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for the rest of the state. And we'll talk specifics about the threat here in just a second. This is tomorrow. The risk moves on to the east, and on day 3, Wednesday, things should be fairly quiet around the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west is fairly dry. The east and the southeast is fairly wet. And this is suggesting much of Alabama could see about 2 inches of rain between now and Monday morning of next week. So let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 06E run at 4 o'clock. And there's that big, full long wave trough west of the state. Surface low is near Minneapolis-St. Paul, moving into Wisconsin, trailing cold front down to Memphis and Houston. And let's roll the animation of what should happen here. This is coming off the 3-kilometer NAM. You can see the leading line of storms just kind of weakens, and we wind up with mostly just stratiform rain late this morning, early this afternoon, and then a potential for new storms developing on the front late tonight. And the question is, can that happen? Will there be enough instability? And it's a pretty marginal low-end threat where we are. The stronger storms most likely down across the southern half of the state where the instability values will be higher. And down there, the main threat from strong straight-line winds, just a low-end chance of an isolated brief tornado. But as always, with any setup like this, you have to watch the storms carefully, and we'll do that. Now, tomorrow we're in dry air. The sky's sunny. The high will be in the low 70s. Wednesday, beautiful day. We start the day in the 40s, and again, the high should be in the low 70s. Thursday, we're still dry, low 70s. And then Friday, a wave comes in with a chance of rain. And we'll certainly mention that in the forecast. And the GFS suggests the rain will be gone on Saturday. This is Saturday the 26th, this coming Saturday. But the European says not so fast. It's got a new batch of rain moving in here. So at this point, the weekend forecast about as clear as mud. I think we need to hang on to a chance of rain Saturday as well based on other runs and consistency in the patterns. So we're going to mention a chance of rain Friday night, and Saturday. But understand, there is great uncertainty here. And even on Sunday, the European still looks wet, with some chance of rain. So rain could linger into Sunday as well. But remember, this forecast is uncertain and will change. Go back to the GFS on Sunday, and it's basically dry. Now, let's go to Monday. Got a broad flow out of the west-southwest, and that's fairly dry if this verifies. We've got 10 days. This is Halloween Eve, Wednesday of next week, the 30th. Pretty cold-looking vortex over Canada and a cold front pushing through with very cold air up north. It's a 1031 millibar high pushing in. Here's the rain off the European for Birmingham. Look at that. The mean is over 4 inches here for the next 15 days. And temperatures look pretty seasonal for the next 15 days into early November. Highs on most days in the 60s and lows on most days in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.